Morning guys, we're in Baguio. I'm with Josh and Harris. Hello. So nandito kami ngayon sa Camp John Hay kasi we will walk the Yellow Trail. Ayan. So we're just finding someone to talk to na kung saan pwede kaming magpalista. And then I'll give you guys an update. Guys, mag-breakfast muna kami dito sa Junejo. Hi Manong. Say hi. Ayan, almusalan siya dito sa Camp John Hay. Basta pag may nakita kayong may tent, yun na yun. Ayan o. Josh and Harris are having breakfast. And I will have my breakfast. So guys, anong order nyo? Josh, anong order mo?
Isang chicken, tas itlog, and sabaw.
Ikaw Harris, anong order mo?
Adobo, sinigang, itlog.
Yes, adobo silog, adobo silog. Sige guys, kakain muna kami and then sa Yellow Trail na. Bye! Yes, hello guys, we're back finally. We're here at the ano ba? At the Forest Trail. No? So, yan, papasok kami dyan. Hi Josh and Harris. Yan, yan kami papasok. So, pero hinahanap pa namin yung papuntang Yellow Trail. And hopefully, walang mga snakes. Ayan guys, umakit kami ulit kasi may call of nature yung dalawa kong kasama. But anyway, grabe no, ang ganda talaga dito sa Baguio. And really, I mean, there really is an advantage if you're living in Tarlac kasi it's closer. Yeah. So you know, yesterday andito na ako and I was having this, you know, realization na siguro 2 years ago talaga I was going through a lot. And then the way I was coping with what I was going through, parang I hurt some people along the way, ganun. So then yesterday I went to church, parang pinag-pray ko yung mga taong yun na nasaktan ko just because I was going through something. Siguro guys, the lesson is, I mean, lahat naman tayo merong ano, diba, pinagdadaanan sa life, and sometimes it's really hard. So siguro the moral of the story is just because you're going through something doesn't mean that you have to hurt some people. No? I'm just saddened na, you know, I can no longer contact those people anymore kasi syempre di ba, parang wala, nag-cut na ng comms and all that. Pero personally I'm okay now and yun, pinag-pray ko na lang sila and sana okay din sila and happy. Right guys, finally we saw the sign papuntang Yellow Trail. Yan, Yellow Trail. That way. This way pala.
Touch.
Cat, touch. Touch by touch. Your mandan charger. Guys, meron palang hidden falls dito sa Yellow Trail, oh. Siyempre hindi siya falls, wag niyo ako i-bash. Grabe, parang mini forest talaga siya.
Dito talaga nawawala yung figure ng TT dito.
Oo nga no, oh my god. Narinig sa camera yung TT. SPG. Wala na, R80 na tuloy itong vlog. Yan. Guys, medyo maganda na yung trail. Ayun oh. This is my favorite view actually, yung when the sun rays are passing through the branches of the trees. When the sun refused to shine. Yan. Ganda no guys. This is my...
This is my favorite part. Kung saan leaves will soon grow from the barna citrus. And all will be already done.
Ay shit! Ay, narinig na naman. May cursing na sa vlog na to. Wala na. Hindi na to for kids.
Masipag kasi kami.
Ayun no, birds chirping. Is that right? Chirping? Chirping birds?
Hindi nagsiseparate sa ating dalawa.
Or birds tweeting? Kaya niya.
Kaya ako sa'yo.
Oy, bad step, you will follow. We hope we don't tip over or fall over. And we will continue the trail. We'll be back, guys.
So ayun guys, nandito. Tapos.
Grabe, layo pala ng Yellow Trail, 4.7 kilometer. So you start. Sige guys, una kayo.
Hindi kasi, kaya nakakapagod kasi naka-skinny jeans yung isa, naka-flat shoes. Diba?
Aha.
Wala tayong balance sa
Naka-leather, naka-rockstar.
may dalang iPad.
Ako may dalang laptop. So, the Yellow Trail pala starts from the Kabayuhan or the horseback riding area, and it will end at the Butterfly Sanctuary. Kaya namin to guys. Eh di basa? Guys, we're resting. May niupuan kaming log here. Kakapagod, no? Can you imagine 4.7 kilometers and pero malapit ko nang ma-achieve yung goal ko na 7,000 steps every day. Pagod na po sila, oh. Pagod na po si Josh and si Harris. Ayan.
Wow, tol. It's nice to be back.
Angelica, ano ba? Ay. So, guys, kanina I thought we were out of the woods pero hindi pa pala. So, yan, nasa Yellow Trail pa din kami. And na-search ko na guys kung anong tawag sa sun rays passing through the branches of the trees like this, oh, diba? So beautiful. Walang English term for that actually. Pero merong Japanese term for that. It's called komorebi. Yan. So beautiful. And so guys, we're done. Sa Yellow Trail, nagpalit na rin ako. Yan. So we're just resting. So yeah, again we started I forgot where we started, but we ended up here sa Butterfly Sanctuary. Yan. So guys, this is the part 1 of our Baguio trip.
Part 1 and last part.
Yes, part 1 and last part. Ang title nito ay Braving the Yellow Trail. See you on part 2. Bye.